Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and right now we have to tap on apps and notifications. They should be on the third position. Here we have to scroll down and tap on advanced, and under it we've got special app access, so let's enter. Here we have to find install unknown apps option. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. So if you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. And as you can see right now, it is active, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps are not verified by the developer. Let me get back and let's check. And as you can see, it is notified on this list that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something. Obviously it will work with all other apps which are listed right here. So in order to turn off the permission, obviously you can do it whenever you want. Just tap on Chrome again or any app you've allowed to install previously and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.